Hi guys, welcome back to my channel here on Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be making a plaque. I found my messy desk. I've been doing all kinds of crafts, but I found one of these silicone cake pans at the thrift store a while back, and I've been wanting to make a plaque out of it, and so today I'm working on adding all of the glitters. So I went through my stash and I tried to find glitters that would match fairly well within each color category based on the ones that I had here at the bottom, and they're kind of neon pink, purple, blue, green, and yellow. So, I think this is ready now. I really like how it turned out. I'm going to hang it up on the wall, but still have to sand down the drips and stuff. Although they feel kind of cool, so I might just leave them. I don't know. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Anyway, so I already pulled this off just to test it. This is how I did it. Used those to set that on, and then all the drips went into the bottom there. And this is still just a little bit pliable. It's kind of at that point. And so I pulled the drip pieces out, and there was like a couple of, that's where the little things were. And so now I have it kind of taped up and forming into a mask blank, because, why waste it? So this might be kind of fun to alter with some UV resin. So that's probably coming at some point. As you can see, it's still pretty pliable at this stage, so I am kind of taped it up so that it can harden in this shape. I kind of taped the nose bridge so it's bent. Yeah, so I'm just going to let that harden up, and that might be a future project to play with. So also, some of the excess that was around the edges, I took and cut it into strips and taped them around these bottles. Well, I pulled them around my finger first to kind of get a finger shape size of my finger, so that I can make some, kind of altered rings. And so yeah, those are taped up, waiting to harden up, and then I can alter those, I think. This one I have kind of overlapped and just kind of stuck on there for now, so it'll harden in that shape. Yeah, so kind of cool. Those are just the scraps and the excess from that over pour. So I think that'll be pretty neat. So that's a future project, but I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out. I'm going to enjoy having that on my wall. I found there's an image on Google. Somebody did some artwork similar to this, and so I kind of patterned my artwork after that because I thought they did such a good job. But yeah, anyway, so you just kind of like, if you look up chalkboard art, you can kind of get some cool ideas for how to do lettering and stuff. Mine's not great, but it's fun and whimsical, and that's all I was going for. So yeah, that's it for today. You guys hit that subscribe button for me if you will, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!